Hello everyone, good morning. I'm here with Freevolution, thinking about our fear of rejection and how much this sometimes leads to hiding. At the same time, hiding prevents us to fulfill one of our basic needs, the one of being seen, acknowledged. So, a little inspiration from Freevolution. The first act of revolution is taking the risk to be seen. To be seen, we have to show up with the courage to be misunderstood or understood more than we ourselves can understand. Seen as a work in progress in light and shadow, the light on my face that makes me visible, the light on my feet to walk the path, the light on my hands to write, the shadow on my body that trembles in shyness. Journal a little bit about what it means for you to be seen and let go of the ways in which you see yourself. Ciao from me and Freevolution.